methods of pattern cutting in fashion. One of them is flat pattern cutting, and that is done with pencil paper and a ruler on the table using a series of mathematical formula. And a lot of people find that quite difficult as a concept because it is very flat. The second method is draping, or otherwise known as modelling. And this is where you create the shape on the dress stand itself using either calico or muslin. The reason that draping is easier is literally because you have got the three-dimensional form in front of you, so you can see what you're working with. We were taught both at the London College of Fashion, and I struggled a lot with the flat pattern cutting concept, probably for well over the first year of training. I found it very, very difficult. Partially, I imagine, because I'm petrified of maths, so anything with a figure in it and I'd run to the hills. After about a year, the penny did drop, and in fact, I love flat pattern cutting now. I really enjoy doing it, and I teach that method as well. But modelling is just a different way of doing it. You get to the same end result. You're not working with mathematical formula in the same way. You're working with, I think, if I'm asked to analyse it, more of your eyes in a way. Yes, you've got to measure and you've got to be careful and you've got to be accurate, but you've got this physical thing in front of you. So as you produce part of the shape, you can see it appearing in front of your eyes. I think we need to clarify the word draping, which refers to modelling, and that is what we're going to be doing on the stand. But designers also use draping of fabric, anything, silk, satin, velvet, whatever it might be, to physically drape it on the stand and pull it into different shapes and pleats and tucks and all sorts of things in order to get design ideas. And I will be showing you, with a variety of different fabrics, how to drape different styles and get ideas directly onto the stand in part 5 of this series. I hope that that will then inspire you to play with all the fabrics in your stash, fish them out and have a go, and see the sort of styles, ideas, shapes that you can come up with. So, this course is twofold. It will teach you the practical aspects of modelling on the stand to create a variety of different blocks, and it'll also lead you into the beginnings of designing and working out lovely ideas for the future.